Good evening, this is Vinod from Veeyes Infotech. After long back, I added the new video for you because of we are preparing some program regarding the Tally was to launch the new release 3.0. So that's why my programs everything is preparing for to update the latest release. Now, so what are the 3.0 updated add-ons available, Tally add-ons available? I will show you. The first one is create ledger via GST number. Now technology wise everything updated, so that's why even though we are interested to Tally also, that method will go. So right now all the customers to create the ledgers means party name. For example, you are creating your customer, you are creating the supplier in your for purchase entry or sales entry. So what happened, you are taking the sometimes, for example, ABC entry is the ABC Enterprises. You are creating the ledger ABC Enterprises, typing the address, GST number, PAN number. So all the content you are typing manually, right? Now you don't do that. Just you can install this add-on like create ledger via GST number. We are developed one TCP file. It means Tally add-on. In the Tally add-on, you are insert your Tally. What happen? You can enter only customer GST number or supplier GST number. Automatically ledger will be created. So no need for entire part you can create. Even though in this ledger creation, you can identify that GST number is active or suspended or cancelled. That information also you will get it. So what happened, once suspended or cancelled, it's not possible to making the B2B invoices. So you can create the B2C invoices. So that's why that options also we are providing that. This is one of the good add-on for all the traders. And second one is the most important nowadays, the most of the computer to affecting the virus and power failure or disk failure. So anything will happen, right? So that's why we are prepared the one program. It is called as auto backup. It means your Tally data automatically daily basis in scheduled, we are scheduled the time, that time automatically data will be backing up. So in your local drive it will stored. It's not a good because of in your hard disk getting the problem, so not possible to recover your data. So that's why we are providing the cloud storage. We are tie up with Google and Dropbox. He is a very familiar in the world cloud storage provider. So that's why we are tie up with this particular company because of he is maintaining the properly cloud server. So that's why we are tie up with him. So you want data backup, your Tally data need for safely. So just you can install this application. You will get it the data 100% safe. So anything happen like virus affection or hard disk problem or Microsoft Windows problem, anything will happen. You don't worry about that. Just you can call me and we will share the data, and you can, or else I will teach you how to restore the data from Google space to your local drive. This is very helpful for all the traders and accountant and chartered accountant also. And third one is the most important for chartered accountant and accountant because of the GST validation. So right now everyone means who will to filing the returns, GST returns, like selfly or else auditors or else chartered accountant to filing the returns. So sometimes you are getting the problem. What is the problem? You are uploading the GSTR 1 in GST portal. It is not uploading. You will get it the some error. you are suddenly shocked. What is this entire entry? You are perfectly done it. Why it will happen? Because of in your GSTR 1 all GST number it's perfectly is there. You know that? Don't know. Because of you are making the almost 500 to 200 transaction. What happened? All the GST number individually to checking that it's not possible. So that's why we are prepared this program. In one shot, one click, you will get it the entire GST number validation. So in validation, what is the report you are getting? In validation, you will get it the which GST number is active, which GST number is cancelled, and which GST number is suspended in GST portal. So that information you are get it clearly. So if you are filing the GSTR 1, so at the time of you will get it this information. So easily you can that particular transaction you can convert to B2B transaction to B2C transaction. So next you can file the GSTR 1. You are get it without error properly filing. So this tool very important for all the sales tax practitioner and chartered accountant. The next one is find customer GST filed status. Someone, for example, you are the supplier of one customer. So you are the receiver of like me, you are a customer. Once you are supplier to filing the returns, then only possible you will get it the ITC, right? Now government right now to change the policy. In your purchase book, in Tally purchase book, your ITC there 1 lakh rupees. But if you are checking the GST portal, you will get it the 80,000 rupees for ITC. The which one is real ITC? You can clearly understand the government said. The government portal, how much of amount you are getting the ITC. ITC means input tax credit. That is the real ITC. In your books, 1 lakh is there. The government portal, it's not acceptable. So that's why. So you can find out that guy was, it means your supplier was properly filing the tax returns, GST returns. So this is the useful for in this add-on. You can single click, you will get it the information properly. This guy was to filing the returns. So GST validation most important for self GST filing person and sales tax practitioner and chartered accountant. Next one, most important, already inbuilt there in Tally Prime 3.0 GSTR 2A and 2B reconciliation add-on reconciliation. But what happened? It's some complicated. It's not there in easy way. Just if you want to see the which one is matched, which one is it's not matched, it means as per your purchase books, as per your portal data you can matching, but sometimes inbuilt Tally it's complicated. So that's why I'm very familiar of this product. Almost last 2 years I sold many more in India, not in local area, because of already I promoted this add-on to my YouTube channel. So anyone to want to see my YouTube channel, just go and type Veeyes Infotech. It means VEEYES Infotech. Just you can find out in my YouTube channel. You will get it the entire video of GSTR 2A and 2B reconciliation. So what is the difference in inbuilt Tally GSTR 2A 2B reconciliation and my tool? In my tool, simply I will say in portal data is there, but it is not there in your books, it's possible to create the transaction. Yes, inbuilt tally it's not possible, but my tool it's single shot. You can enter automatically, portal data will be posting your purchase books. So this good option we are give this add-on. And even though sometimes you are entering the 10 transactions, but the custom supplier was entered the only you are avail the ITC supplier bill only 7 transactions. So remaining 3 transactions you are not avail the ITC. So that information you can pass to your supplier. So how to do that? So in our tally add-on, one single click you can get it the report, PDF report. That report you can transfer to your supplier easily understand what is there in that report. In that report, what is the content is there? Sir, we are purchased 10 bills. What is the bills? All the details is there in below. 10 bills. In the 10 bills, I will get it the 7 bills only ITC. Remaining 3 bills, we are not get it the ITC from your side. So that ITC value is 27,000. So you are not filing the next month in this bill. In this 27,000 I am not paid to you. I will deduct your outstanding amount. I will deduct this amount and remaining amount only we will pay. So that information one single shot available in my add-on. After that, to filing the returns, most important, anyone not possible to modify the transaction, because of once GST filed, that transaction not necessary to modify. If modified the transaction, what happened? Your books of data and portal data will be mismatching. So that's why that locking facility also available on GSTR 2A 2B reconciliation add-on. And next one, the most important, right now the audit case is also going on. So everybody need for Excel to tally import. So inbuilt tally, this option it's not available. In future maybe it's available, but right now we are developed this tool Excel to tally, so you can prepare your purchase and sales, whatever it is, your customer, like you are a STP or chartered accountant, your customer to prepare the purchase and sales in Excel box. So that Excel to tally import possible my side. Once if you are purchased this add-on, automatically you will get it the entire data Excel to tally easily. And somebody thinking, sir, I am using for other application in this month or else next year I am planning to go for tally. So that's why I want entire party again creating. It's big problem in tally. Again all the items to creating in tally, it is big problem to you because of the opening balance, that is also necessary. So that's why we are give this add-on Excel to tally, stock item, customers database and supplier database. You can import Excel to tally. Last but not least, the most important right now everybody need for in sales tax, I'm talking about the sales tax practitioner and chartered accountant, bank statement import. So bank statement, all the bank statement, it's possible single click to that bank Excel statement to posting the tally transaction. How is it possible? You can think that how is it possible? Bank statement, many more purchases there, many more expenses is there, withdrawal is there, payment is there. So all the details, how to tally identify? Yes, you are right. So how to tally identify? So all the database automatically posting the transaction in suspense account. So after suspense account, you can select which transaction go for this particular ledger. For example, already in April month 10 transaction, suspense account is there. You can click all the you can select all the transaction, and right side we are giving the one button change the ledger. So suspense to, you can, that particular 10 transaction go to conveyance ledger. It's single click, it's possible to convert. So this facility also available for Excel to Tally add-on. Most important, this add-on to right now all the sales tax practitioner and GST practitioner and chartered accountant. This is most important for traders, some distributors and wholesalers. So maintaining the sales people. So sales people commissions given, sales people increment given. So how is it possible in Tally itself? Yeah, it is not possible. So that's why we have prepared the salesman module. In this salesman module, you can create the salesman names and you can create the any transactions like sales or sales order. You can assign the salesman name. Automatically, in this list of reports you will get it easily. So then you can decide which salesperson is the productively working in your concern and which salesperson dedicatedly working your concern, which one is giving the more output your concern. So you can decide, so how much of incentive pay, how much of salary increment you are giving, bonus, whatever it is, you can think, because of easily you can identify which salesman the performance is good. This add-on very helpful for you. Next, now the many more peoples are using e-invoices. So somebody using for Tally invoices, it's not a problem. Somebody using for letterpad format. So in Tally invoices, what happened? Many more people asking, sir, Tally invoices, it's not possible to entering the many items. For example, if I am entering the more than 7 or 8 items, automatically it go for second pages. If you are entering the 15 to 17 items, automatically go for 3 or 4 papers. You will take the one single transaction. You will take the 4 paper in best of paper also. So that's why we are designed one smart invoice add-on. In this add-on, if you are insert the Tally, so you will get it the professional look of invoice. That it means professional look means the company name is bold and party name is bold and good font we are used. So, and even though you also decided which font you want and you want to add the logo and you want to change the font and you want to insert the e-invoice QR code and the IR and generated details, entire things, the professional look is there in your invoice. So this is already my customers, many more people are using, even me also. So this add-on very helpful for you, for all the traders. So many more customers asking me, sir, is it possible in Tally Prime to send the bill or reports and outstanding anything through WhatsApp? Yes, inbuilt Tally it's not available, but in Veeyes Infotech add-on available. Once you are insert this add-on, automatically you can prepare the sales invoice. Your customer get it the sales invoice copy and as well as message. Thank you for purchasing ABC company, and this is your invoice value, invoice generated by this time, and regards your company name. So this information automatically sending to your customers. And even though some particular time you will send the outstanding report in WhatsApp, possible ledger report, send the possible, sir, I have created 10 transaction in one single shot. Is it possible 10 transaction one click send to all the parties? Yes, not only 10, you are created the more than 100. It's possible to send the WhatsApp. So this is also most important in somebody expecting, this is need for in Tally. So that is also possible in Tally Prime.